I'm pretty excited right now because this is a package from Fraser Martin and it's from Dubai. And I don't get many packages from Dubai. And I can count the number of packages I've received in my lifetime from Dubai with one finger. So he gave me an idea of what's in here. And so I'm really excited to see this because it should be pretty funny. And as you can see, this went through a security check. I wonder what they thought of it. That's always the best part about some of these shipments. When I've done the challenge internationally, I always wonder, so what do they think when these go through security and they open it up and it's a box of oddly junky parts? Because, I mean, I'm sending junk. So, but this is hardly junk. This is cool. So let me get the box out of the way. This is exciting. So let's see. Dubai police cars. Let's see if I can figure out how to open this. Let's see, there's tape over here. Okay. So there's some tape here. There's some tape here. There's some tape here. There's another piece of tape here. Be patient with me. Oops. There's another piece of tape over here. So, oh, stuff falling out. That's pretty cool. I wonder what make that is. There's already more in here, Fraser, than you said was gonna. Oh, jeez. Okay, wow. This is what I was actually anxious to see. Oh, there's one more there. When he originally contacted me, he sent me this photo. It was great. It's obviously a Hot Wheels knockoff. That they have the logo, but it's Hot Whack. I love that. That's fantastic. That is too funny. Check this out. The Dubai police cars. That is cool. That is so cool. Wow. Let me set that over here. Matchbox Morris Minor Saloon. That is cool. Let's see. Let me throw those away as I go, the packing. These must be the Hot Whack cars, is what I'm thinking. And they definitely have like a Hot Wheels look to them. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh, I bet it is. I wonder if the W's for whack. This is too much fun. Oops. Shoot. That has a Mustang look to it. Yeah, that's definitely a Mustang. Huh. These are too funny. I mean, they're not badly made. I mean, plastic base, they're screwed together, which is nice. Metal body. So it's not like these are all plastic or anything. Wow, look at that. That's really pretty. Huh. This is too cool. Bermuda Speed. Is that like a knockoff of Mazda? Right? It's gotta be, right? Oh wow, check this out. The dynamic. Oh, this is too much fun. Why do I enjoy these silly little cars so much? Wow, this looks like a Hot Wheels ripoff. Again, screwed together plastic base. Let's see if I can get this where you can see it here. The Choi Drifter DD Sregs J. And they roll, obviously. And finally, the King 33. These are funny. That is great. Yeah, those gotta be the Hot Whack cars. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yeah, they're the Hot Whack cars. Okay, they're definitely the Hot Whack cars. And yeah, it seems silly because I remember mentioning this. We talked about this, and it was silly to send like all the packing and everything for that. And then, let's see. There's a letter. There's more of the Hot Whack packaging. This is great. This is great, and I have to put the Dubai Police supercars back in the box. I call 901 for non-emergencies. 04-901 from outside Dubai. Oh, this is great. Yeah, check this out. The Hot Whack wide variety of vehicle types 10. Super running series, having fun with the little friends. This is great. I love the packaging. It's hilarious. It is such a Hot Wheels ripoff. Let's see, I have a letter. Let's go to the letter. Let's see. Good evening, Jim. I'm typing this out as an email in case I end up having to send it separately. Who knows now after 100 and odd days whether you will actually have a postal service that delivers anything from countries that are not also states in America. I have friends in Georgia, the original one, so I might send the parcel from there. The current plan is to include some of the packaging, the rip-off bits for the models I found the other week under the Hot Whack branding, especially as I discovered whilst looking on the Hot Wheels rack in a shop the other day, finding that apart from the spelling, the packaging scope is almost identical. I'm in fact planning to have this package either hand carried to the U.S. and posted locally or sent through a discounted courier service the Narrowline Chum has access to. We'll see what works out. And here's a photo of what it looked like with all the packaging, how it was in the pack. The Little Morris 1000 by Matchbox is such a sweet little thing, I could not resist it. I had a 4-door car when I was at college in dark flatted maroon with a blue front wing, a green rear wing, a taupe trunk cover, boot lid, no bumpers, and a Dunlop Groundhog radial tires on Red Hillman Super Imp wheels, 12-inch instead of 14-inch on the standard cross plies. It had an ignition key barrel in the center of the dash display, which scraped all the paint off by way of the other keys on the fob, which was so loose you could remove the key while the car was still running. Oddly enough, that's the way my old Chevy El Camino was. The starter was operated by a foot button on the floor next to the headlamp dip switch. To replace the brake master cylinder seals, the car had to be jacked up, the wheel, steering joints, and torsion bar removed from the driver's side to allow access to the master cylinder retaining bolts, which could then be withdrawn through the chassis leg, and the master cylinder removed for repair. Needless to say, it all had to go back together again. So a full day's work for about $1 worth of service parts and a can of brake fluid. I just love the look of that. That is cool. I've got to do something with that. Yeah, I'm definitely cracking that open and doing something with that. Let's see, there's another page here. Let's see. Cars were so much easier then. Oh! The only car in the Hot Wax set I thought might be worth hanging on to was the Aston. It's got to be that. That's got to be the Aston Martin. Yeah. So that, the Wee Morris, and the Dubai police cars are for you. All the rest of that daft stuff is for the Silva challenge boxes, which, though I will never take it up, continue to provide a source of great amusement and encouragement. Stop the press. These buggers arrived after a month of waiting. Those are so nice. These are really nice. And I don't know if I mentioned it before or if you noticed it. They're majorettes. Yeah, they're a majorette set. This is a wonderful set. This is heavy. I mean, these are really heavy. Well done. That's so cool. I will probably look at repackaging the crap stuff inside this packaging so that the cop cars are complete. The collection for delivery is now complete, so it remains for me only to get it either to the courier or someone coming to the other side of the pond. I'll keep you updated. But don't hold your breath. Long may the lunacy flourish. Kind regards, Fraser. In Dubai. Fraser, thank you so much. I got to get the Dubai set back in here. Get in there. Okay. I mean, this is fantastic. I mean, first of all, it's crazy cool to get something from Dubai. I mean, that's just wild. And it's such a beautiful set. That is so freaking cool. And the hot wax stuff. I will put the others, maybe not all of them, I'll put the others in the Silva challenge. I'm definitely doing something with this little guy. That's too cool not to. The hot wax stuff. I love the packaging. It may sound silly. I want to frame it or do something with it because that's absolutely hilarious for me. And I just want to put that up on the wall. So I hope the rest of you have enjoyed this as much as I have. Fraser, thank you so much for this. This has been a blast. And I truly appreciate it. And thanks again, everybody. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and healthy out there. And I'll catch you in the next one.